It's Sunday, that's why some of the students are cleaning backside of the hostel. Now you give Krishna. Now Krishna, you sweep this side. Slowly, slowly. Very good. We should make them practice so that keep here. If we make them practice, some of them, then they will think that it's very bad. You make them clean their small butt there, but it's not like that. You should train them. Train kaya nango, train kaya ke borok loing ya. That's why from small onward, if you teach them, if you tell them to do, they will do. They will get habit. Very good. Clean, clean, clean. Very hot now. This one is hostel. Long one. Here is some trees. It gives shadows. Yes. And look here. Here. This part. If I tell them to clean this and that also, don't feel bad, because for their own good, I say, you bring down. Very good, very clean. Now you give Davida, now Dada. Now Dada turn. Here. We are having some cleaning. If we keep surrounding clean, then no snake. Snake will not come. Nah, Kisan? Here also, we already finished cleaning, but some little remaining. Kagos though, have no? Cockroach. Now then, don't tell them your friend and all not to throw this side, okay? Ha? We cannot eat throw. Ose. Abu da nang nai si. See here. I was. Ose you clean. Kone buri? My daughter. And here is my son, my two sons. And other also is there inside. Other side they are working. Tabuk naham ki freeze tui man kangena busuk freeze water. Kisan, how did you enjoy walking? Yes or no? Sweep. All your brother, sister. Okay, wait, Gandhi. Jambura, Pati. Here is they are trying how to open. Who can open fast? Open. Cut with knife. Come on, Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi. I think that knife was a good break. Two knife is there. Look here.
Above my chin.
Yes, two knife. Here is they are watching. They are waiting for eating.
Gandam, support. People got Gandhi. Use that. I will cut like this, okay? And like this, you get that.
Orang ke senang paitong oh, engkau nai di. Awas nampai jeung attack. Attack kayaknya si attack.
Dan kamu mau binsik itu lah.
Now attack. Kishan tasty.